Today, I'd like to show you how to make a powerful drawing with a message that kindness matters. I'm using a hand and a heart as symbols because our hands can help and our hearts can care. Let's draw something that reminds everyone to choose kindness over bullying. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. For this drawing, I used a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, a thick black marker, and a set of paint sticks. If you don't have paint sticks, oil pastels will work great too. I always like to add center pencil guidelines on my paper before I begin a drawing. They're also on all of my tutorials, and they really do help you use the entire sheet of paper. Let's begin by drawing the bottom left side of the hand. So place your pencil on the middle line, draw down at a slight angle, make a rounded corner, and come back to the middle of the paper. Now move over to the right side of the paper, draw a line down that's angled and has a rounded corner and meets up where we left off. To draw the thumb, place your pencil on that right side, go up and then down like I'm doing here. The forefinger comes next, so let's continue that line up to the tip of the finger and then come down and stop. Make a small curve and go back up, maybe a little higher than the forefinger, and then come back down and stop. The next finger is drawn the same way, going up, making a rounded tip, and then coming back down and stopping. The same thing happens for the little finger, just make it a little bit shorter than the one before it. After the fingers are done, then add a large heart in the center of that palm. If you'd like your heart to look like mine, then you need to add 5 evenly spaced lines inside, but do feel free to come up with your own design too. Okay, I'd like my design to look really bold so you can see it from across the room, so I'm going to use a thick black marker and go over all of those pencil lines. When the tracing is done, then do take a minute to erase any pencil lines that might still be showing. It's really important when you have a lot of white space like this. Okay, my color choice for the background is dark purple to make a lot of contrast, but please use whatever color you like. To finish with a kind of rainbow design, then start coloring red at the top and proceed down to the purple at the bottom. I think this project is a great chance to introduce your students to the idea of symbols in art. The hand represents taking action or standing up for others. The heart shows we care, and when we fill it with rainbow stripes, it becomes a symbol of inclusivity and acceptance. It's like saying everyone is welcome here. Hey, if you like this project, then check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, where you'll find even more hand and heart drawing ideas. I hope you try those out too, and I hope you keep on drawing. See you next time.